Hello everyone, welcome. Today we are going to explore how to add a currency converter in Shopify. Let's get started. First, open your Shopify page and navigate to Add App option. Then click on Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type currency converter. From the listed store applications, click on Transy, which is built for Shopify, and start installing. Read the detail about the application and click on Install. To set up the application with our store, we need to complete 4 important quick setup steps. These steps are adding a language, adding currency, set up the switcher, and preview. Let's do it one by one. Start with adding language. Click on Add language. There are 148 languages listed here. Choose your preferred one or select all. Once you have selected the language, click on I have done this. The next step is adding currency. To verify the currency format, we need to follow 2 important steps. First, go to the settings and change the store currency formatting by using the given code. Click on Copy and navigate to the setting option. Go to the store currency option and click on the 3 dots. Then select Change Currency Formatting. In the first box, paste the copied code. Copy the second code and paste it into the second box. Click Save, and on the previous page, click on I have done this. The third step is setting up the switcher. Choose your preference and click on Go to the final step. Finally, enable the switcher and preview. Once you have enabled, click on Save and then Preview. As you can see, the currency converter is now applied to our store. Thank you for watching.